Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can buy the premium of your Elementor website. So let's get started. If you want to buy the premium of your website, so let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, we have to create the account. And after creating account, as you can see, has an option for the pricing. So we have to click on the pricing, and after clicking on the pricing, as you can see, different types of prices are provided here. Now, which type of premium one you want for the WordPress hosting, for the e-commerce hosting, or the static hosting? You need to choose that which one you want. For example, I'm going to click on the WordPress hosting, so we have to click on that. And after clicking on it, as you can see, you'll be able to get the packages like this. Now you have to choose that which plan you want, this one, or this one. The prices are mentioned here, and their package in the features are also mentioned here, like the hosting, 50k monthly visits, and 20 GB storage. These all options are mentioned here. Now you have to choose that which one you want. This is a WordPress hosting. If you want to e-commerce hosting, you have to click on this, and after clicking on it, as you can see, you will be able to see these packages here. Now if you want to choose anyone from them, you can also do that. So in this way, you can buy the premium of your Elementor website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can buy the hosting. So see you guys in the next video.